Hey guys, so hopefully by now you understand that food is more than fuel, based on what Flavia was explaining last week. This week I want to go into a little bit more detail about macronutrients, so your carbs, fats, and proteins, and how they're utilized in the body to give you energy, and how learning about them will help you make smarter choices when preparing food. So let's start with carbohydrates. Carbs, in their simplest form, are glucose and another sugar group. So that could be fructose, which is sugar from fruit, or galactose, which is sugar from dairy products. Added sweeteners in processed foods are really our main enemy when it comes to eating processed foods. So we really want to focus on getting carbohydrates from whole food sources, and a wide variety of them. So for example, if you focus on eating fruits, veggies, whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, sprouted grain bread, those are all great sources to get carbohydrates from. And we want to remember to eat a variety of them. Our next macronutrient are fats. Our body utilizes fats as its main energy source during rest. So think about all those times throughout the day where you're not engaged in high intensity exercise, aka gravity and oxygen classes. That's when fats are being utilized. They also play a very important role in absorbing vitamins. They protect our nerve cells, and they also make up the outer layer of our cell membranes. So the things we're made of absolutely need fats to survive, which means you absolutely need fat in your diet to maintain life. Some great sources of fats that you can get into your diet are olive oil, coconut oil. You can get good fats from avocado, unsalted nuts, and nut butters. Our last macronutrient is protein. Protein is the building blocks of our muscle. So every time we're working out, we're kind of breaking down our muscle, and we want to make sure that we're getting protein afterwards to build our muscle back up. And your intake will really depend on your goals. If you're looking to build up strength, you're going to want to intake a little bit more protein. A whole varied variety of proteins will give you the right amount of protein that you need throughout the day. So chicken, eggs, fish products, turkey, steak, all those, they'll give you a wide variety of protein, and they'll give you the right amount of protein. If you want to supplement to add protein to your diet, so in the case of building more muscle, if you wanted to add more protein, protein shakes are a great option for that. But a wide variety of whole foods will give you the right amount of protein you need throughout the day, generally speaking. So putting this all together, the carbs, proteins, and fats, I wanted to give you guys a balanced meal example. So for example, if you were to saute some vegetables in olive oil, grill your chicken, and then have some cooked quinoa and throw that all on the plate, there would be a very balanced meal utilizing all the macronutrients. So you have your protein from your chicken, you have your carbs from your quinoa and Brussels sprouts, and since you cooked the Brussels sprouts in olive oil, there's your healthy fats in the meal.